Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca on the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link. Boy, what a beautiful spring day. Sunshine, light winds, and pleasant temperatures. Unfortunately, tracking some changes on the way. Beginning Thursday, especially later in the day, and extending through Friday and Saturday, at least the first half of the weekend. At times, we do have some precipitation on the way. High temps today, pretty nice, reaching the lower 60s. Made it to 62 degrees in Providence today. Even the coastline, before the sea breeze came in, it made it to the upper 50s, and then the sea breeze kicked in, and temperatures along the coastline cooled off. Looking at dry conditions for tonight with a slow increase in the cloud cover. But, some unsettled conditions starting Thursday, especially towards late day and early evening. We'll bring in probably some showers and drizzle. Both Friday and Saturday will feature at least the chance for showers at times, heavy. We'll show you that in more detail in just a second. Easter Sunday, still being cautiously optimistic. I'm not anticipating a stormy day, but there may be the slight chance of a shower. But right now the theme continues to be mainly dry on Easter Sunday. All right, let's head out to the satellite photo, and you can see we have clear skies overhead right now. See some clouds that'll be streaming in off to our south and west. These will be on the increase overnight tonight and into tomorrow. This is ahead of a warm front. So what we have is a storm, area of low pressure across near the Great Lakes. And what will happen is this will track to the north, up in that general direction. And what it will do is essentially drag a warm front into our area. So this red line right in here. So this approaches Thursday and into Friday. As it draws closer on Thursday, the clouds will be on the increase. This is the warm front. And eventually some showers and drizzle by late Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. And then the cold front slowly advances towards Friday and Saturday. This will help to enhance some heavier showers. Now, in between the warm and the cold front, this wedge right in here, very mild and very humid air. We haven't talked much about the dew points. Usually we don't. They're not much of a factor during the winter. The air is very dry, but some very high dew points, very humid air across the Ohio River Valley and right in here. And this high humidity headed our way, especially by Friday and Saturday. And when you take very humid air, especially this time of year, and you pass it over ocean that's still relatively cold, the net result of low clouds and dense fog, especially along the coastline. And what this higher humidity will do is eventually help to promote some heavier showers both Friday and Saturday. So you'll notice the air becoming muggy. We'll get in real close and we'll walk you through it hour by hour starting off this evening. Initially we're clear and then the clouds start to stream in overnight. Now here we are tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Actually, the computer model is trying to catch up here. I don't anticipate much in the way of sunshine on Thursday. There you go, 8 o'clock in the morning. Some low clouds, temperatures starting off in the lower to middle 40s. A good deal of clouds on Thursday will keep temperatures on the cool side. Here we are at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, looking at temps in the mid-50s. I don't see much in the way of precipitation during the early afternoon, but watch the splotches of green as we get it towards 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. This is light showers, drizzle, and mist, some fog as well, and that will extend into Thursday night. Ironically, the mildest part of Thursday may actually end up being Thursday night rather than Thursday afternoon as the warm front advances. So for this evening, it's relatively quiet and cool. Now look at the sunset time, getting later and later, 7:30. Compare that to late December when the sun was setting at 4:30. So nice 7:30 sunset this evening. It's a pretty one. A slow increase in the cloud cover, dry by 11 o'clock, the temperature at 45. Now for tomorrow morning, outside of a quick shower or a sprinkle, I don't really see much in the way of precipitation, starting off at around 45. And then the drizzle and light shower chances will increase as we get towards late afternoon and early evening on Thursday, looking at high temperatures at about 55 degrees. So that's certainly cool for this time of year. 7-day forecast. Very humid, mild, and breezy both Friday and Saturday. Now, these temperatures that are well into the 60s, that's inland. The coastline should be held into the 50s both Friday and Saturday. But, so much humidity in the air that more than likely some fog and drizzle early on Friday morning and then breezy, humid. I think any sunshine would be partial, if that. Temps in the 60s, and then scattered showers redeveloping later Friday afternoon, especially Friday night. Some of the showers may be heavy at times as we get into Saturday. Very mild, breezy, and humid day. Temps 60s inland, 50s along the coastline. Dense fog along the coast, and some of these showers will be heavy at times. Now, the game plan is to have the bulk of this move away by Easter Sunday. So, I mean, outside of a slight chance of a shower, just think it's the drier day. It's certainly much better than Saturday. Partly to mostly cloudy. Temperatures that'll be in the lower 60s. Check back with us. I mean, kind of being cautious here. Not that I'm concerned about a stormy day on Sunday, but, hopefully it's just a slight chance of a shower and nothing more than that. But that's the forecast right now. So mainly dry. But look at Monday and Tuesday. Very mild in the upper 60s to around 70. Maybe noticing my voice is a little hoarse. Oh, pollen count, especially today, on the high side, tree pollen, so of course that time of year. But with the rain that's in the forecast, that'll clean out some of the pollen. So we're quiet tonight. Some showers and drizzle by late Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, and then somewhat unsettled, in fact very unsettled, both Friday and Saturday. I would keep the umbrella on standby both of those days. So that's the latest. Check back with me tonight at 10 and 11 o'clock on Eyewitness News for your updated forecast. Thanks for logging in, and we'll talk to you soon.